Hello everybody, this is Mr. Nardelli. Tonight I'm going to be talking to you about changing a fraction to a decimal and changing a decimal to a fraction. So we're going to start off, for example, if I have 7/8 and I want to change it into a decimal and I don't have the fraction actually memorized. There are a few that you can have memorized, such as 1/2 equals 0.5 and 1/4 equals 0.25. But if you don't have it memorized, let me see where my stuff is. You basically just divide. So yes, I see the answer there, but what I'm going to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the bottom number, the denominator. Now, as you can see, 8 will not go into 7, so I'm going to have to put my decimal there and bring the 0, so I'm actually doing 8 into 70. And I have to put my little decimal up there. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way to show you the rest of the work. So I have 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. Then I have to bring down this 0. Now I'll do 8 into 60, which is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. I subtract and I get 4. Now I have to bring down this 0. And I have 8 into 40 goes 5 times, and I have 40 minus 40 is 0. Once I get this remainder of 0, I'm done, and I have my answer of 0.875. Now you might see a lot of times in the textbook 0.875. That's not really necessary, but it's probably a good idea to put the 0 first. The reason I do it is because if I'm a little bit messy, you might miss that decimal point. Now, if I'm changing from a decimal to a fraction, now you will have questions such as change the decimal to a fraction and make sure you simplify it. Well, this means 32 hundredths. So if you read it correctly as a decimal, 32 hundredths, you can immediately just call it 32 hundredths. But of course, I'm going to have to simplify that. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. 100 divided by 4 is 25. My 8/25 is in simplest form, and there's my fraction. If you need anything, please email me at nardelli.efsc@gmail.com. Thanks.